Hi and welcome. In this video, I will go off all the steps to post-process a Matrice 4 dataset. Since REDtoolbox version 3.2, this drone is natively supported. This makes things easy. So first, let's have a look at the dataset. One folder is copied one by one from drone to my local disk. Next to photos, we require files with RTK and MRK file extension. The second folder is related to the base station and has been downloaded as REDcatch version 3.04. The folder includes the 25.0 file as observation file, and the others are the splitted navigation files. So let's start the software, and be sure you have at least REDtoolbox version 3.2 installed. Choosing PPK and geotagging, you will be guided to post-process your drone flight. Choose Matrice 4 as device. Be sure PPK is selected and, optional, choose an output geotagged. We recommend using automatically search function as things become easier. It requires a folder structure like I shown you before, but if so, it speeds up your processing because most of the files will be crawled automatically. So choose the root folder of your data and all information will be imported automatically. You see, images are loaded. Rover files are selected. Only for base station data, multiple options are left and the software needs some help. Avoid using drones nav files as they are often incomplete and you will end up with less satellites information and no fixed solutions. In our case, we choose navigation file for GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou. Just a side note, if you have REDcatch version 2 only, you can only choose the N and G file. Check output settings if they fit your needs, and then high run to perform the tasks. PPK processing of the path, geotagging, and lever arm correction will be applied automatically for you. During processing, check the bars for fixed solutions, and when finished, the map for fixed solutions at image coordinates. Have a look at the output folder. It contains subfolders for all the outputs you selected. For example, photos with updated EXIF information, the graphical and statistical PDF report, and a text file containing the position and accuracy information. Give it a try, download the 14 days free trial, and let me know how it works for you. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear them. See you in next video. Bye.